De-alcoholized wine, there are essentially two targets. If you want something that is considered alcohol-free, then you have to go down to less than 0.05% ethanol. If you want to have something that is non-alcoholic, then you only need to go down to less than 0.5%. By boiling the alcohol off the wine, you end up with wine without alcohol. The trick is you don't want to lose the essences. So in GoLo, you first do a gentle boil to get the essences coming off. You then capture the essences, and you can store them as a separate product, or you can add them subsequently, and then you take the alcohol off. And where GoLo differentiates itself from some of the other technologies is we concentrate the alcohol to a product that has commercial value. The essences come off with a substantial amount of alcohol. That limits the extent to which you can blend it back into the wine. If you want to produce a 0.05% wine, you can only maybe blend back 10-15%. If you are producing a 0.5% wine, you can blend back a lot more essence, which restores a lot more of the character of the original wine. The spirit, we distill normally to at least 85%, because that is when it becomes commercially usable. We can go up to 92% without any further purification.